like using the Mark 1 1655 in f2.8 because it gets a bit soft, but at the same time I've got the 180 fusion filter on, so I'm kind of defeating that purpose, so I might as well just shoot it this way. I mean, you can't be here without doing a leading line. This was interesting. I'm not too happy, to be honest, with the photos, but maybe they look better after some post work. This is a really nice place. Right here, we're at the midpoint of this tunnel. It's 1.5 kilometers back there, another 1.5 kilometers out there. So it's the world's longest road and pedestrian tunnel. On the floor there is a clock showing the time. Currently it's 8 o'clock in the morning because I got out early, as you can see up there. Like this. I think I might jump back on the right and keep going from here. It's not too warm today. We're at this cemetery. We're going to see if there's a potential photo here. Activity here. Oh yeah, construction here. People just got a judgy eye from that old lady. What's this guy doing with his camera? Michelin sailor man. This is an awesome spot. I should come here more often. Let's get up here and see how it looks. It's looking very perfect, right? It's all in the frame here. I love that this old lady had such golden clothes. The way she kind of blends into the background while still big. Okay, let's go. The way the light is going through the gym and listening to the bus. having a subject over there is kind of nice work. As you can tell, I just took photos. It's presumably almost. But I don't do like, you know, it's like a bit of hidden and kind of thing. It's very stick the camera in his face. And I don't want it to be like very identifiable. So out of respect, if I do, I try to do it hidden because, you know, I don't want to look like there's some kind of attraction